to get a different kind of these things. Okay. Give me 1 minute, okay. Which one? Handling unit defining for buttons. LRH2 I'm defining for pallets. LRH3 handling unit type I'm defining for auxiliary products. So 3 handling unit types I defined. Now I'll go to the define HO type groups. LR W1 group is LRG1 for buttons. LRG2 for pallets. LRG3 for auxiliary products. I'll just assign everything. Give me a second. LR11 HO type is defined. Which one I defined? LR11 and HO type is LR. Okay, LRH1. LRH1 HO type group is LRG1. Okay. I didn't do anything, guys. What I have done the 3 HO types I defined. Okay, 3 HO types I defined. Why 3 HO types I defined means when you place cartons or when you place auxiliary products, when you place pallets, generally HO types will be different. Different HO types will be there. Okay, let me show you. I don't get the perfect this one. when you are placing pallet, I mean when you're placing almost like two boxes or three boxes, the wooden pallet which you place, the forklift will carry. Sometimes this side the holes will be there where the forklift can place the things and it can carry the respective pallet. And one more type of HU type will be there where it can carry the wooden boxes under the pallets with a different kind of these things. So normal, which I'm what I mean to say is like there are different kind of pallets will be there. Okay. So I have taken now three different kind of HU types because I have auxiliary materials, and I have auxiliary packaging materials, and I have cotton box packaging material, and I have pallet. So I defined three HU types for these three. Now what I will do, I need a master data now.
Ram, actually, I didn't get it. This types.
HU type you didn't get it.
No, Ram.
What I mean to say HU type. I want a picture of HU type so that I can do it.
Because we have differentiated different packaging, HU packaging. So why again HU types is required?
Because there is not only one different kind of palette will be there. Okay, I mean to say there are different kind of things will be there. Let me find one picture. Okay, I don't know where is that. Give me 1 second. Okay, I'm trying to find the picture of my system. Yeah, sorry guys. I have taken this picture. Okay, it's a confidential picture. So I have taken this picture. If you see here, understand from here, guys. Okay. Even Google itself, you're not able to find these pictures, but I know HU type group. Okay, can you see here? This is like a wooden one. I'm sorry. This is like a cotton things. Okay, where carrying with respect to cottons. Can you see HU types? The pallets. Can you see what and all pallets do you have? With the forklift can lift this one, this one, this one, this one. There are different kind of pallets are there, but we are grouping it together. We are grouping it together because all these are wooden pallets. All these are wooden pallets. In this case, in the real time, okay, in the real time, just think that there is one concept called AGVs, automatic guided vehicles will be there. It don't knows normally. Okay, it don't knows that the pallet how can I tell that? See, a wooden pallet is like this. Okay, now just think the wooden pallet is like this here. Now the AGV is coming from this side, the vehicle is coming from this side, and it will try to pick this wooden pallet, right? And do you find holes here? Yes, we find holes here. So the AGV can blindly put and it can lift this pallet, right? Suppose when the unloading happens, the user kept in a reverse way. The user kept this pallet in a reverse way, which don't contain holes. Can you see? For this, there is no holes. Now the AGV is coming here. It is trying to put the respective thing into this one to lift this pallet. It will work or not? No, right? You getting the point? No,
No.
right?
Yeah.
Yes, yes,
So for few materials, you will use this kind of pallet. For few materials, they will use this kind of pallet. And for few materials, you will use this kind of pallet. I mean, it depends on type of material that we are unloading. So for this one, normally a manual person with forklift, he will come and he will see where kind of holes will be there, and respective thing he will pick this one. And for this one, obviously some automatic vehicle will come and he'll keep the respective thing and it will lift it. And so there different kind of wooden pallets are there. End of the day, for you, they can use for different materials they can use. In this case, you should define all the wooden pallets, right? Because in a warehouse, you are using all different kind of pallets. In this case, you need to group it or not. Wooden pallets you are grouping into one or not.
yes, we are grouping into one.
We need to group it, and we need to group it, and you need to assign to the respective product. For this respective product, we are using this HO type 1. I am defining HO type 1, this one, HO type 2, this one, HO type 3, this one, HO type 4, this one. So whenever I unload the goods in the staging area, automatically system will propose me, if it is a pallet, system will propose me that only bring this pallet, not this pallet. Only bring this pallet, not this pallet. Depends on the config, depends upon the master data assignment, which you do. Respect to product, if it is a pallet, respect to product, if it is a pallet, bring this one, not this one. Or else bring this one, not this one. Depends on the assignment of HU type to the respective product. It will bring the exact HU type in the pallet. Suppose you are carrying these plastic pallets, okay? They are carrying some plastic pallets. So obviously there are a lot of different type of plastic pallets are there. Can you see cottons, guys? In cottons also there are different kind of cottons are there. We are differentiating through what, guys? Now we are differentiating through HU types now. We are differentiating through HU types. Nothing but HU types. Everything we are different. Everything in cottons or auxiliary in the pallets. Okay, if there are multiple cottons, multiple different kind of cottons, multiple different kind of pallets, multiple different kind of auxiliary products, something. Okay, bubble wrap also you can take example. Okay, multiple different type of auxiliary products. Everything you are grouping together and calling it as a HU type. Okay, group is different here. Okay, HU type group, HU type we are calling this one, and HU type group is we are grouping all together. That is called HU type group. And individual products we are calling a HU type. HU type 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that we are calling HU types. And this can be directly assigned to the respective product. Got the point? Now what I have done, guys, I define HU types 1, 2, 3 like that, and I assign to the group. Group 1, group 2, group 3, like that.
So if for in this scenario here in this picture, so we will define four types of packaging units, right? HU
No, only
packaging.
3, right? Why 4?
This is
Yeah,
group.
3 packaging in it.
3 packaging, 3 HU types are you meant to say?
I mean for each HU, yeah, got it.
See, plastic pallets is not in my mind first of all. I have cottons, pallets and auxiliary products. Okay. Cottons, pallets, and auxiliary products. So I have defined 3 HU types now. One HU type for pallets, one HU type for cottons, one HU type for the respective auxiliary products. Okay. And which HU type I created one group. Group 1, group 2, group 3. Assign the group to the HO types. I know it will be a bit confusing. I define
Because
HO types
yeah,
and I
because
define HO type groups and assign the HO type groups to the HO types. That's it. Extra configuration. That's it. Clear?
yes, yes, Ram.
Yeah. Now, what I will be doing, I will create some materials in ECC now. I will go to MM01 to create the materials. So here I'm going to create the packaging materials. First thing is like I'm going to create the packaging materials. Okay. What do you mean? Why you can ask me why you want to create a packaging materials you are defined. I didn't define any packaging materials, guys. Okay, in the configuration I mentioned that we have this kind of packaging materials we have, but I didn't define any packaging materials. It's a master data. Okay. I told I have pallets and I have cartons and I have auxiliary products, but nowhere I defined the number, define the respect to material. Got the point? This is also confusing for you.
Sure, Ram.
Got it right? So I should define a material now. Okay. The material I want to define is MAT, or else I can create one cotton. Just I'll create a cotton. Cotton 1, cotton 01 I create. That's fine. Material type is mechanical. Material type is what, guys? Very important for packaging. If you are creating a packaging material, what is the material type? Very important. It's a verb. Default packaging material. It's a verb. So I can create like variable and data. These are all optional things. What is the plant?
LR46.
LR46. So the location is
ROD.
ROD. Okay. Box. This is very important. This one keep it something, guys. Transportation groups, loading group, something. This is not required for us. What we require is material group, packaging material data group. So group I get is LRG1 if I'm not wrong. LROPQ JKL.
LRGR is there.
This is a group, right? LRGR. Yeah, LRGR is a group. Packaging material type for cottons. LR LRCA. Cottons for cottons. LRCA. Cotton box. Group assign. Good. Then not required. Nothing much. We don't need account data also not required for this one. Okay. That's fine. Cotton 01 got created. Okay. Now I'll copy from cotton 01. I'll copy from this one and I'll create like a pallet 01. This is the material. Okay. I want to create a, sorry. I want to create a pallet 01 I want to create.
So Ram, in that picture you showed, no, there were four types of pallets, right? That you have grouped it, right?
See, in this case, the picture whatever I showed you here, I need to define like four different kind of cottons, but I didn't define four different kind of cottons. Okay, only one cotton I defined, and one cotton I assigned to the group.
Okay.
But
So
in real time, you'll have different kind of cottons will be there assigned to one group, and you assign to the respective material. Which kind of issue type you want to assign to the respective material, you need to choose at the time.
so in this scenario, if we do four materials should be maintained, right?
No. Only one no. Exactly. The master data should be for four materials. The master data should be for four materials. Okay. Now you assigned this material. Okay. This is the packaging material which you are creating. Okay. This is the packaging material which you are creating. Now if you see, what is the plant? What is the plant number?
LR 46.
LR.
46.
Previously assigned to LR46 only. Your plant.
Yeah, Ram. I think sales
Okay.
data you didn't select.
That's fine. LR46. Forward. Okay. This data I missed. Okay, sorry. General plan data I missed. It is not coming. LR46. Can you see here? LRGR is a group. I get only one group in ECC. You can have one more group here in this case. You can have for pallets one group, cottons one group, this one group. But what I have done, I have done only one group. In one group only, I defined three different kind of things: pallets, cottons, and auxiliary products. You can have three groups also. You can take this picture, okay? And with respect to this picture, you can group it if you want while practicing. Three different kind of groups you define. Give me a second. Okay, while practicing, you can define three different kind of groups you can define. In one group, you can assign the cottons. In one more group, you can assign the pallets. In one more group, you can assign the auxiliary products, so that it will be clear for you. In this group, I define only one group. And packaging material type, I need to assign. I need to change the pallet. Okay, this is change it to pallets. I need to change it to LRPA. I need to change. Okay, this is a different packaging material. LRPA. LRPA. Okay. Now I need to create one more one. AUX01. Okay, I'll create AUX01. In this case, I need to select LRGR and packaging material type is LRAU. LRAU. Save it, guys. So I created 3 packaging metals. I created, okay. 3 packaging metals I created. Okay. That's fine. I need to action anything. It's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Not required. Okay. Let me see if again. Okay. CFM1 I'll go.
Ram, one doubt
See.
here.
Yeah.
This group which you have created, LRGR, this is
Mm-hmm.
combination of pallet, box,
In
and
ECC. In ECC. Yes.
yeah, pallet, box, and auxiliary packaging.
Yes. Yes. Hmm.
So for a particular material, all this will be used, right, for packing.
Yes.
So that picture which you showed, that has only 4 types of wooden pallets, only plastic pallets. These are different group, right? So will we consider that?
No. What I mean to say, you create one group for wooden pallets. You create one group for cottons. You create one group for all the products. Okay.
Yeah.
You see, don't think in way that one product you're using 3 packaging materials. That we will do manually. Okay, for now we will do it manually. One product, 3 packaging metals we will do manually. But this, what and all you are defining groups. You create one group for pallets, one group for cottons, one group for auxiliary products. For now. In next class, we'll understand, okay, how system automatically determines for the respective product. First is auxiliary, second is cotton, third is pallet. Automatically it will define 3. This is separate config is there for that one.
Yes, sir.
This standard configuration. Each group should contain respective cottons. One group should contain cottons, one group should contain the pallets, one group should contain the auxiliary products.
I am confused that for packing of a product,
Mhm.
these 3 packaging units is needed. Like
Mhm.
first box will be there. Inside that we'll put wooden.
That's what I told you, and after that I regret I told that group. In a different way I told you. That's a good way, but thing is like I cannot tell directly to that point actually. So I
Okay.
told directly that diagram and I confused you. So I should tell you first this one. I should differentiate like this way, and I should tell later that actually.
Okay.
Now you should see fit model. What is it? Tell me the model name. I can give any model name. That's fine. What's your plant number? Sorry, your plant number. I'm forgetting the
LR46.
LR for
LR46. Okay, Matt. I'm taking. So the logical system. What is the logical system?
it is EW F4U. That one only.
This one. Okay. So I'm selecting the materials. So there are 3 materials I defined. So it is